Here is part 1 of the first 50 hockey terms you need to know. Speak like a pro in 3 weeks after listening to both parts of 100 hockey terms. Face-off. The way play begins, with two players battling for the puck. Icing. When a player shoots the puck from their side of the red center line past the opponent's goal line. Offside. When an attacking player enters the offensive zone before the puck. Power play. When one team has more players on the ice due to a penalty against the other team. Penalty kill. When a team is down a player due to a penalty and must defend against a power play. Slap shot. A powerful shot where the player winds up before striking the puck. Wrist shot. A quick shot using a flick of the wrist. Snapshot. A mix between a wrist shot and a slap shot, released quickly. Backhand shot. A shot taken with the back of the stick blade. Dicky. A fake move to trick an opponent. Center. The forward who takes face-offs and plays both offense and defense. Winger. A forward who plays on either side of the center. Defenseman. A player whose primary role is to protect their own goal. Goaltender, goalie. The player who protects the net from shots. Captain. A player designated to wear the C and lead the team. Alternate captain. Wears an A and assists the captain in leadership. Enforcer. A player known for physical play and protecting teammates. Grinder. A hard-working player known for effort over skill. Playmaker. A player skilled at setting up teammates for scoring chances. Sniper. A player with an accurate and powerful shot. Forechecking. Pressuring the opponent in their defensive zone. Backchecking. Skating back quickly to defend against an opponent's rush. Breakaway. When a player gets past all defenders for a one-on-one with the goalie. One-timer. A shot taken immediately after receiving a pass. Odd man rush. When the attacking team has more players than the defending team on a break. Dump and chase. A strategy where the puck is shot into the offensive zone and retrieved. Cycle. Passing the puck along the boards in the offensive zone to create chances. Neutral zone trap. A defensive strategy to clog the middle of the ice. Stretch pass. A long pass to quickly advance the puck up the ice. Give and go. A quick pass and movement to get open for a return pass. Penalties and infractions. Minor penalty. A 2-minute penalty for infractions like tripping or hooking. Major penalty. A 5-minute penalty for serious infractions like fighting. Match penalty. A penalty for injuring an opponent with intent. High sticking. When a player's stick makes contact with an opponent's face or head. Slashing. Hitting an opponent's stick or body with a stick. Hooking. Using a stick to slow down or impede an opponent. Boarding. Hitting an opponent violently into the boards. Cross-checking. Hitting an opponent with both hands on the stick. Interference. Impeding a player who doesn't have the puck. Too many men. When more than 5 skaters are on the ice at once. Hat trick. Scoring 3 goals in one game. Gordie Howe hat trick. A goal, an assist, and a fight in one game. 5-hole. The space between the goalie's legs. Top shelf. Scoring in the upper part of the net. Chirp. Talking trash to opponents. The sin bin. The penalty box. Puck bunny. A fan overly interested in players rather than the game. Bar down. A goal that hits the crossbar and goes in. Light the lamp. Scoring a goal, activating the red goal light. Zamboni. The machine that smooths the ice between periods. You're now ready for part 2 of the next 50 hockey terms. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of our latest videos.